English Speaking 360 presents tip number 9. No vocab? No problem. This tip is super useful and you will love it. So, my students always have the same two major problems. They don't know certain words or they forget some words. They don't remember some words. For example, here we go. My friend had a good Halloween costume. She was an elf. She wore a cute dress, pointy ears, and This is what happens to my students. When they forget a certain words, they panic and then they become silent because they are trying to find that word. But here is the tip. There are so many ways to say the same thing. This is what you have to master. So in this case, the forgotten word is a wig, a pink wig. But what can you say instead of a wig? So don't get stuck. You can say this: fake hair, false hair. You can also say something like pink hair extensions. I know they are not hair extensions, but something like that. You can say pink hair. I know you're gonna say, but it's not her hair, it's a wig. I know, but it's the same as this one, a pink hat. It is close enough. Remember that in your mind, you know it was a wig, but the listener, the person who's listening to you, doesn't know that. So even if you say a pink hat, the person in their mind will have a similar picture, and that is okay. So now here's another one. So do not stop when you forget a word. Use other words. So stop being silent. Okay? Here's another one. The unemployed. So the unemployed are these people. Okay? But you forgot this word because it's a difficult word. What can you say instead? You can say people who don't have jobs. It is the same meaning. It's okay. People who don't work. People who are looking for work. Jobless people. Out of work. Between jobs. Job hunters. These ones all have similar meanings to unemployed. And that is the key. If you forget this word, use other words. Here's another one for you. An unknown word now. So that's problem number 2. Maybe you don't know this machine. It's a lawnmower, but you forgot or you didn't know. So what can you say instead? A grass cutter. It works. It's not fantastic, but it works. People will understand. A machine to cut the grass. Good. A landscaping machine. Also good. So if you say these instead of being silent, your listener will understand what you want to say. Here's another one. A snowblower. So this is a snowblower. It's used in cold countries, obviously. What can you say? A machine to remove snow. Fantastic. A snow clearing machine. Also very good. We also have snow plows. A snow plow is this kind of machine here. Okay? How can you describe it if you don't know snow plow? A truck that clears the snow from the road. Excellent. A snow removing truck also works very well. Here's another example. A poodle. So this here in the picture right here is a poodle. So it's a kind of dog. So you could say a dog, because you know that it's a poodle, but remember, your listener doesn't know. So you can just say a dog. Or you could say a small dog with curly hair. Fantastic, no problem. You could also say a fancy looking dog. Or a rich woman's dog. Very often we see that in movies, rich women have this kind of dog, so you could be able to make the same image in your listener's mind. Here's the last one. Hiking. A walk in the mountains. Go to the top of a mountain. A hard walk. Mountain climbing. Go up a mountain. Or even trekking. So if you forget hiking, don't get stuck, keep going. So remember, the key point today is do not get stuck. Use other words and people will understand you. Don't give up. Good job, guys, and I will see you in our next video. Bye-bye.